Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome from rain depression into a storm, Da Nang. There is some kind of storm lingering around the East Sea here, and I think it's gonna come next on Monday, I think tomorrow. So we'll see how this goes here. At the moment it's raining the whole day already, but we will find out if there's a bigger storm coming to Da Nang as well. As of the news saying, it is going into the region of Hue. So if you're planning on a day trip to Hue tomorrow, maybe don't do it. It might be very wet and possible flooding, I'm not sure. But hopefully it's just disappearing in the sea, but probably not. You can also, I can show you one thing where you can always see what kind of storms are lingering around. Okay, how do I get over there? I will show you something in the weather app. It is usually very accurate, this one feature. Hold on, I'm gonna go here under this and then I will show you. All right, so if you open your weather app, okay, you see here it is raining, okay, and then you go to, no, not here, this one on the left, and then you can go onto this here, wind. Then you will see what kind of winds going on around that area. You can see here something is building up here far away from Da Nang, but it is on the route towards Vietnam. I also saw a photo of this here, a forecast. Okay, so it will probably not hit Da Nang, but of course, whenever there's a storm like that, the rain around the storm will hit everything around the impact. So yeah, that's sadly now the reality, I think, for this next few days at least. The last week was very nice and sunny and hot, and it felt like something is building up, but yeah. They're still working here, very heavy to get Marcus his lunch back, his favorite lunch spot. This is how it looks here. It rained since few hours, but it did not flood anywhere. So it works very well here with the rainwater. This is the bar we were last night for the live stream on the German channel. Went pretty crazy. But let's check out how the streets look over there. The air is very fresh and nice at the moment, but sadly the rain will probably not stop just like that, and we're gonna have the sunshine back, so it will take a while. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday or something, who knows. It is a very unusual summer this time. Usually it's just hot, and this kind of storm season should start in September, but nah, we're almost there. We're almost in September, but we had few of those already now this year. No big storms or anything, but more like a rain depression for a few days. But hopefully it stops or moves on or gets weakened out. Who knows? But don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'm always keeping you updated here, no matter what weather. And you can also see how life just goes normal on. People drive their motorbikes with their raincoats on. It's pretty normal. But it is not that nice if you have a beach vacation planned. So, very unusual this time. But this is weather, you know. You cannot predict these things. Those are gonna be very popular places now, sports bars. And massage parlors, coffee shops will be very popular right now. As you can see here, It's also, I can go back to the pavement here, but as you can see here, it's more of a parkour pavement. There's a nice little spot here. You can walk comfortably. Good pavement over here with some hiccups. Oh yeah. With this kind of weather, hot noodle soups taste even better, I would say, right? Woo. And if you have an umbrella, it's also very annoying to walk here. Or if you're very small, then it's also fine. But for me, it's a parkour here. Ducking, climbing, keep an eye on the footpath here. Yeah, it's not a good weather to walk around. But what do I see here? A beautiful pavement in front of us. Let's have a look at it. Pavement report number 4. Oh, let's check it out. Let's see the quality of this new pavement here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think we're getting into something here. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. But here's a little bit of a little stair. Not sure what they're gonna do here. Huh. I'm gonna try out this pavement as well. All right. It's very unusual here. So this is not done yet. But we got a nice little stair here. Maybe if they fix it correctly, you can jump here, my dear skateboarders. But I'm not sure if skateboarders are welcomed here. The floor is not really good, I would say. To skateboard, I would say. But to walk, it's pretty nice. Beautiful new pavement. Maybe they have to do a little bit more like this here. Could be a little bit prettier. But as you can see here, it's raining and there's no big floods. You don't have to be in the water. So it kind of works very, very well here on the beach side of Da Nang. And I think they're working in the city side as well to eliminate all kinds of flooding. So maybe this rainy season, I'm not sure if they are done by then. But at least next year, 2026, there should be no issues with flooding here anymore. Because they're working on it. But I'm still wondering, does anyone know what's happening over there? This one little pile of land. What are they gonna do there? A new hotel or another restaurant? There was a restaurant and some small little stands, but let's check out the sea. Very stormy. Ooh, definitely a big red flag to go in there. But I'm wondering if it's surfable, because that's also very interesting for all my surfers out there. Is it gonna be surfable or not? Because storm season means good waves, right? Good waves, good surf. I see one surfer in the ocean. I hope they all stay safe, guys. Looks pretty nasty, the waves. Not that beautiful crushing or... No. We'll find out. I will go closer, guys. Pretty empty here, sadly, because there's no real roof. Yeah, this is how it looks. Some people are still in the water. I'm not sure if they can be in the water. I can hear some whistling and I can see far away, I can see at least 5 surfers out there. So if you have a surfboard, you can actually go in the water. But still, it's... I don't think it's like a good condition to surf. Well, let me know in the comments, guys. Do you think this is good surfing here? Maybe in the front. In the back it's crushing because it's very shallow. Oh, I see beautiful waves there. Okay. You know what? I think an experienced surfer could handle this. But if you're a newbie, I would not try, because the time the lifeguard can catch you there, you will probably drown. If you mess up in the back, yeah. I mean, I see beautiful waves far away. Beautiful. I think the pro surfers could do it, but you definitely need some support in there in case something goes very bad. Maybe a jet ski guy or something. Yeah. Well, who knows? I'm not a pro surfer or a surfer. But maybe I should become one. So the red flag here is always there. It doesn't really mean anything. They don't remove it. Sometimes they have yellow flags, and then sometimes they limit the space where you can go in the water. As you can see here, whenever it is the Stormy, it is also not that nice. Here they don't clean it up right away. So all the little dirt from the ocean comes out and stays there until it's getting better weather, and then everything is removed and it's white, beautiful sand again. But that is how it looks. The rain is not that bad at the moment, so it is kind of nice to have a stroll here. The footpath here, aka the sand, is very nice, bouncy, but not difficult to walk. So if you want to have a long walk, this might be it now. This might be it. Maybe just with some bathing suit, you can just walk, get wet from the rain. Ah, it's a beautiful walk right now. You could walk a very long time now. But yeah, yesterday this was a tropical paradise, and now it's still a tropical paradise because rain belongs to the tropical paradise. There's no rain, there's no tropics, just a sand dune. Oh. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here, and see you in the next one.